everyone, I'm Shraddha from the Wellinkar Institute of Management, V School. And at the outset, I want to extend a warm greeting to you and also share with you that V School has been recognized and ranked 10th All India and 2nd in the West Zone by the coveted Times of India V School Survey 2015. And we have also received the Best Management Institute 2015 award by the Bombay Management Association at the hands of Industry Doyen, Mr. Ratan Tata and other dignitaries. This presentation aims to provide some handy tips on how best we can fill V School's 2-year full-time PGDM program which are recognized by AICTE application form. So why wait? Let's get started. So once you log on to www.wellinkar.org, on the homepage, you can go on click here to apply for the 2-year full-time PGDM program. After that, you will be taken to the next window. You will find a login button. On clicking the login button, you will be then taken to the declaration form, which basically states that all the information that you will be entering in the form hereafter will be accurate and authentic and to the best of your knowledge. So let's click accept. After this, the new window opens, which basically asks you to enter your form number as well as your password. In case you have purchased the 2-year full-time PGDM program application form for V School online, you will be getting the username, that is your form number and your password, in a system-generated email. If you have purchased the form in a physical format, either from the VS campus or the select Axis Bank branches or the select coaching class centers, then your form number as well as your password will be in the application kit at the end of your guidelines book. So now let's plug in the form number and the password and click submit. The V School online application form contains 4 sections. You will be prompted to go to each section once you click the submit button. Once you arrive at the page with section 1, you will be requested to fill in your personal details as well as your information for correspondence. All the fields which are marked in an asterisk are important and mandatory. So let's highlight a few areas where you may have queries. Moving along, the first may be the last name. In case you do not have a last name, no need to worry. You can type in your first name and the system will accept it as your last name. For selecting your city, you can choose your city from the drop-down menu. In case if your city does not appear in this list, no need to worry. You can hit others and then you will be prompted to another field where you can physically type the name of your city. Then complete the rest of the information on your correspondence and click submit. You have now successfully completed section 1. So let's proceed to section 2. The page which shows section 2 requests you to fill in the information on your PGDM specializations. Here, you can choose the PGDM program you wish to pursue at V School. One handy tip, please only select those programs which you are interested in and the rest of the programs you can leave as is. Then, you can select your preferred location for GDPI, complete the rest of the information and click submit. You have now completed section 2 successfully. So let's proceed to section 3. The page which contains section 3 requests you to kindly fill in the scores of your written tests, that is CAT, ZAT, ATMA, CMAT, MHCT and GMAT. Here, you will be prompted to fill in your registration number along with your scores and percentiles. A handy tip, in case if you have not received any of your scores, no need to worry. Since these fields are not marked with an asterisk and are not mandatory, you can fill it up later as and when you receive it. Now, click submit. You have now successfully completed section 3. So let's proceed to section 4. In the page which projects the section 4, let's go through the different parts. It will ask you to fill in the details for educational qualification, your work experience and other information. If you have queries for details in the educational qualifications, let's address them now. Under the field for class 10, you can write 10. Similarly, for class 12, you can write 12 and so on for graduation degree and post-graduation degree. Then you can complete the name of your board from where you have graduated as per your certificate. Moving along, please type in the percentage as reflected in your mark sheets and scores. If your college or institute has given you GPA, then you can select the GPA option and select the GPA grade from the drop-down menu which is given in the field below and move to the next part. Moving along, when you have to fill in details for your work experience, kindly fill in all the information in a descending order. That is, first start from the information from your current job and then move on to your first job. Here, for the time period, kindly mention the correct month from where you have served. In case you have joined on 1st of January and left a job on the 31st of January, then in that case, kindly select January to February so that the system can accept this time period and move to the next part. In the next part of section 4, you can fill in the information on your family members. The father and the mother are marked with an asterisk, that is, they are mandatory. In case your mother is not working with a particular organization, then instead of leaving the field blank, you can fill in NA, that is not applicable, and complete the rest of the information in the section and click submit. You have now successfully completed section 4, which means you have also completed all the registration details for your profile for V-School's online application form for the 2-year full-time PGDM programs.
On successfully completing all the 4 sections of the online application process, you will view a red tick mark against registration on the top right corner of this page.
Now, as you scroll down, you can hit the download application form button. On clicking this button, you can now download the entire application form in a PDF format. To open this file, you will need a PDF Acrobat reader in your system. Let's print the downloaded application form, which is in the PDF format. This 10-page long application form has 3 main sections: Part A, Part B and Part C. Part A contains all the registration information which you have filled in the online application form. But however, we request you to kindly go through the information in each of the fields to ensure it's accurate. Having completed the Part A of this form, let's proceed to Part B. Part B contains essay-type questions which are mandatory for all the applicants of the 2-year full-time PGDM programs at V-School. In this section, you will get to fill in answers to queries ranging from your strengths and weaknesses to hobbies, interests, achievements, and finally to also why you want to pursue a management education. In case if the space given in the form is less, you can feel free to write your remaining answers on an A4 sheet which you can attach to this form. So having successfully completed Part B, let's proceed to Part C. The Part C is only for those applicants who are interested in pursuing the PGDM programs such as Retail Management, Rural Management, Emerging Economies, E-Business, Business Design and Healthcare. We request you to kindly fill in the answers to the questions for the PGDM programs you have selected in the online application form and in Part A, and kindly mark NA for the questions to those PGDM specializations you are not interested to pursue at V-School. In case if you find the space in the form less for any of the questions, we request you to kindly fill in the latter part of your answers on an A4 sheet which you can attach to this form. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed your application form for V-School's 2-year full-time PGDM program. Kindly send us the following documents as well: the self-attested photocopies of your mark sheets and certificates of Class 10, Class 12, graduation and post-graduation, along with the scorecards of the entrance exams mentioned in the application form. If you have a work experience, kindly send us your work experience certificate. In the absence of one, you don't need to worry. You can also send us your appointment letter with the salary slips of the last 3 months. Kindly courier the entire application form along with these supporting documents to Wellinkar Institute of Management, V School Mumbai campus within the admission deadline.
On receiving your duly filled in 2-year full-time PGDM application form at V School, the online authentication will be completed in the next few days, after which you will view a red tick mark against application form received on the top right corner of this page.
Best of luck, guys. We look forward to welcoming you at V.